Hello, today I'm going to repair this amplifier. This is Radio Technica 101 Y-101 stereo amplifier. Its maximum power is 20 watts per channel. It has a nice glowing display, like an old-fashioned glowing lamp display. So it has a different modes. Here I can switch to different input modes because back in the day you had to select precise, let's just say, voltage and current settings for your output. Basically, this is universal. This is from tape recorder. This is from vinyl, something like that, and this is like other type. There was a different levels, so that's why back in the day you have to choose what kind of source you are going to use it. So that's why you have to these. Nowadays this is totally redundant. I don't need this anymore, but for old-fashioned style I can keep it. There you have balance, low and high, timbre block, stereo mono, and this is some kind of extended frequency, something like that, and this is of course volume. Here it has some kind of forward from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 1. I haven't actually actually used this one, but this is something related to recording. You plug your you basically your line in goes in there, in other side, and in this side you have just forward out to the tape recorder. And on the other side there is interesting stuff also going on. Here is an output for speakers, 4 to 60 ohms. There is the main input, and there are these different inputs, which I can select it over there with this knob. And here is this forwarding stuff, I guess, from this. You can forward it out there. I don't know the meaning of this, but basically it's something related to recording. Okay, so for now I will going to change the capacitors of this amplifier, and then I will see whether it works or it doesn't. At the moment it seems like it's working. Let's try to turn it on. So I plug it in the main, and as you can see it comes on. There was a click, the relay, there is the protection relay, it clicked, so it means that the output is also enabled. I get this for 10 euros from my colleague, so, and it's officially mine. I can keep it. And yeah, and here on the side there's a label private, so I can keep it for sure. Yeah, I haven't attached anything to this amplifier to test it properly, but I think it works, because the previous owner said it works, so I believe him, it works. So I just replace the capacitors and then I will try it on. So no need to bother at the moment, so that's why I will just turn it off and then I will try to do repair job.